Okay, let's look at another pension fund which is destroying your pension, possibly your life. I've got St. James's Place. I've sent a whole portfolio from St. James's Place to look at. So I've gone for one. I'll go through all of them, by the way, so don't think I'm just picking on one. Greater European pension distribution. Okay, what have we got? Well, let's look at performance first of all. Actually, let's start off with key facts. Nice, handsome young man. Ken has been a portfolio manager at 90. Oh, God, not 91. Check the small print. 10% of your money over 5 years on 10 grand invested goes in fees. Yeah, I said that. Ken joined the firm 2004 from blah, 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 blah. Who cares? Right, because let's look at his performance. Okay, so the index was up 51% over 5 years. Not great, but that's what it'll do. Right. He was, he was up 58. He was up 28%. Okay, over 3 years, 10%. Wait a minute. Over 3 years, he's up 10%. The NASDAQ was up 55%. Not his fault. He's not even been allowed to look at that. They gave him the crap stuff. And the S&P 500 was up 25% just last year alone. But over 3 years, they've really dumped him with the European stuff. And they said, hey, Ken, you go over there. The American stuff we're not going to give you for pensions. And he's still in employment. What worries me is he's like 50% underperforming the index. That's difficult to do. A little bit of underperformance I expect, but this guy's a genius. He's actually underperforming it by 50%. Ken, time to move on. Get another job, my friend, because destroying pensions is, you're going to get caught out. So anyway, let's look at what's in there. What's in there? European equity is okay. And UK ones. We're not in Europe anymore, so UK and Europe is separated. Geograph, blah, blah. Who cares? I don't care what sectors he's in. I want to see the companies he's in. Oh, okay. Brenntag, not heard of them. They're in chemicals out of Germany. Not actually bad. Not actually bad. But Ken, my friend, you called something which was actually not bad. So what did you do with your conviction? You put 4% in it because you've got to be spray and pray diversified, don't you? Novartis isn't that bad. I mean, he's not messed it up. The problem where he's really messed it up is he hardly puts anything in them because Ken's got a problem with confidence. He likes to put a tiny bit of money in everything, spray and pray, and then every month in the newsletter he can say, well, we've got this, it's done rather well, it's just that the others didn't. And that's fundamentally the problem. So there we go. Anyway, score out of 10. Score out of 5, actually. Make it easier. Oh, come on. What do you think? What do you think? I mean, Ken, I want to help you. I really want to help you. I can't give you anything on this. I'm going to have to give you a 0, my friend. Sorry. Anyway, send me your CV. There might be other jobs outside of asset management I could use you for. Don't know what they are yet, but answers on a postcard. Thank you.